Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing.
Hello YouTube, it's Chef Bor RD. You get it? Dime D. So yeah. So today I'm making those chicken tacos, the chicken buffalo tacos. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that I'm using today, and it's gonna be amazing. So keep watching. So we have the rotisserie seasoned chicken. This is not the buffalo kind I got last time because I didn't have it. We have the cilantro. We have the tortillas, and we have the sauces that I use. We got the cilantro the cilantro lime sauce, and then we have the chili garlic sauce. It's so good, y'all. And then we got the sriracha mayo. Yeah. Say hey. So this is how the chicken turned out. Now we're gonna plop the tortillas in the grease. So the tacos are done. I'm saving a little bit of chicken for my son because he eat food now. I was putting up groceries while I was doing this. Y'all, I took a break for groceries. But here is the tacos. Oh my God, it looks so good.